Hello there. I'm sure we're all familiar who this guy is. This is our childhood basically for me, or rather personally, this is my childhood. The name is Goku or Son Goku for some. And what if I tell you this image right here, we can turn it into this one. Or even this one right here. You can see the shading, the blue highlights right there. That is what you call Super Saiyan if you're familiar with it. How can I make it on this one? So don't be nervous, I got you from here. Because on this video, we're going to create 2D graphics to make it look 3D. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm going to teach you how to create these photos right here. So let me just go to the website. So this is going to be the AI or website we're going to use. It's going to be called Styler. This is going to be the link, www.styler.ai. And right now, if you're watching this on your MacBook or any other devices, please stay in the video because the process is perfectly the same across all devices. And I'm gonna give you some bonus tips along the way, so please stay at the video. So let's get started right here. So I want you to click on new project, and then you'll arrive on this editing platform. Now basically once you're here, the first thing you want to do is import some images. On the left side you have import text to image and image to image. So click on import image. I'm gonna go with, for this video, let's go still with Goku. Let's see if the results are different for now. And I'll get back to you once Goku is here. So welcome back. We have just uploaded the photo, or rather Goku. Let's call it Goku for now. And as you can see, without doing anything else for now, there are some tools here. We have auto select, lasso, insert, and remove object, or even remove background. So for this video, let's now click on image to image. Choose a style. You have the styles right here. There are really a lot of styles. You have some categories there to go with, but for now I'm gonna go with realistic. And from the prompt, if you don't have any idea what to prompt here, simply click on this button, auto prompt. So it will help you guide on whichever or how much will it give you the prompt. So as you can see right there, the image is a black and white drawing of a man with spiky hair. As you see right there, it's black and white, or rather spiky hair, possibly a cartoon or comic book character. It's pretty accurate. Now, let's try increasing this one to the max. Click on Stylerize, and right now, let's wait for the magic to happen. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video, and please remember how Goku looks like, okay? If I hover my mouse on the results, right there, if you're gonna ask me, this is pretty good, but this is better. Right now, we've just made 2D into 3D. We have 4 results here to work with, so choose whichever you want. And by the way, to download them, simply choose the one you want. For example, these two. Click place on Canva. It will be going right there. And click on export. Make sure click on export or layers to make sure you download everything. Because if you did not click on export or layers, you will only download the layer 1. Okay? Now, as you can see right here, there are things to work with Goku. Or let's focus on this layer right here. Let me just click it. Let me just remove this one right here, okay? Let me just delete this one. Perfect. So as you can see right now, we have to work with this one. If I zoom in, let me just try zooming in. You'll see that there are hairs, that thing to work with. Now, there are different options here. For example, you can use Photoshop, you can use any other AI tools to work with this one. But let's try using the built-in removing object. So let me just try removing this hair right there. It's pretty large. Let me just minimize the brush, okay? So that hair right there, even those hair right there. Let me just try and fix it. Even this one right here, I don't like it. So let's try fixing this one. Click on remove, and let's see how Styler removing the object works properly. Let's just wait for it to finish. And hello there, welcome back. The hair we just removed are now, or the highlight or the hair we just highlighted are now perfectly removed. So technically for now, personally for me, we don't need to use Photoshop or any other AI tools. But if you want to use Photoshop to be more precise, please do so. That will be by your own preference for now. Now moving on, let me just download this one real quickly, because I want to show you guys something here. Now once downloaded, I'm going to open my upscale. I'm going to select my image. Let me just look for my image right there. Perfect. And now I'm going to set the default. I'm good with this one. Click on upscale and let's wait for it to finish. So welcome back to the video. Our image has just been upscaled. If you notice, this is the original and this is the upscaled version. Again, if you're gonna ask me, that is more sharp, that is more good looking. And again guys, there are a lot of upscale applications right there, or AI. Please choose whichever sees fit for you. But for this one, upon checking all of the AI upscales, I'm gonna stick with upscale application. That being said, this is the application for you, and make sure this is the one you're seeing also on your end. Now, basically this is gonna be the upscaled version, and I already have it on my PC right now. Let me just minimize this one to go back to styler. And for this one, let's try creating a different Goku. So let's just try a new one. Click on home, or rather let's just import image. I'm gonna go with Naruto right now, and let's wait for it to finish. Perfect. Let me just remove Goku. So I have Naruto right here, right? I'm just gonna enlarge it, or rather let me just minimize this one right there. Perfect. Just highlight this one, so make sure it's highlighted, and then click on image to image. Make sure everything is good. Auto prompt for this one, because I don't know what to prompt here. I don't really know what to prompt with Naruto. Now, this is gonna be the prompt: a cartoon character with a yellow headband and the blue eyes. So since we have a headband and the headband is not right, it's yellow, right? Technically it's not yellow. Let's try creating black headband right there, blue eyes, and right now let's try creating some yellow hair to make sure it's most accurate as possible, because that's the key here. Make sure that the prompt is as passable or accurate as close to the video, or rather photo. Now make sure this is good, and perfectly click on stylize. So welcome back to the video. Again, this is Naruto, and as you can see, the results right here are pretty accurate. If you're gonna ask me along this 4, I'm gonna go with this one or this one right here. I love them all, because I'm a big fan of Naruto right now, and right now I'm looking for the right headband. I think this one is the perfect one for me. Place on Canva, and for this one I can remove some objects if I don't want. I can remove background. And by the way guys, that's what I like about Styler. Styler has everything from AI generation, from making your photo good, removing some objects, removing some background, and so on and so forth. And that being said, if I want to download this, again guys, export our layers, export 2 pics, and I have now the photo on my PC. And that will be it. Open it, and those are the photos I'm looking for. I can just extract the photos, make sure that's on my desktop, click on yes to all, and now I'm gonna check them now on my desktop if it's there. So there's Naruto right there. That's Goku, by the way, so that's Naruto. So since I removed the background earlier, this is now Naruto. Now the background you're seeing here is technically the background from the first photo earlier, but this is now the Naruto we have. Okay, if you want to upscale this one, please do so. Again guys, that will be it. That's Styler for you, and that is how you create 2D images and make them 3D images. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.